Hey there beautiful friend, in this video I am going to show you hide online status on your Discord app. So let's get started. First of all, take your phone, then open the Discord application and make sure to log into your current account. Also use the updated version of the app. After the app is open, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can find your profile name or picture. Simply tap on it to open the profile page section. After that, look at the top menu bar. Here you can find your profile name or button. Simply tap on it and see the change online status option appear. Here you can see basically four different options: online, idle, do not disturb, invisible. For I recommend, if you want to hide online status on Discord, this time select invisible and automatically hide online status on your Discord app. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. Also subscribe my channel. Tata.